Are you thinking of staining your deck? Well, it's a really great way to freshen up your exterior and give your home a polished look. Remember that everything has colour: your wood, your outdoor furniture, your plants, and your home's exterior. Look closely at these colours to make sure that the stain colour you choose harmonises with them. There are two main factors in your choice: the colour of the wood and how it combines with the colour of the stain. Porous wood will generally soak up more of the stain and allow the natural grain to show through. It's really important to test your choice before you start your project. Apply a small amount to an offcut or in an inconspicuous area. Don't rely entirely on brochures and in-store samples, as they're indicative only. Combinations can vary depending on the wood type and also its condition. When you stain your sample, look at it in different lights and against other elements. For more tips on how to stain and paint like a pro, check out the rest of our how-to series at changeinaday.nz.